In this video, I am going to show you how to get massive followers on Instagram using Instagram ads. This is going to be the best Instagram ads tutorial you are going to watch on YouTube this year, this month, today, this week, however you want to put it. So my name is Ayatolani. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification icon. So if you've been trying to get more followers on Instagram, there is one thing you need to understand. Do not buy fake followers, right? Do not buy fake followers, because once you buy a fake follower, you put your Instagram business account at risk. And not just that, you have some set of bots on your Instagram business profile by which will not be able to engage with your post and give Instagram a kind of signal that your account is inactive and full of bots. I'll put you through right now, and I'm going to show you how to get followers who are ready to buy what you have to sell, what you have to offer, and engage with your content. Do you understand? So let's get straight into it without further ado. If you have any issue with your Instagram payment method targeting, don't forget to chat this number you see on the screen. You can always DM me on WhatsApp and I'm going to solve your issue, your problem, right? So let's get straight into it. Watching this video right now, make sure you follow this new Instagram account right now on Ayo is Marketing, where I show you about many things: YouTube earnings, growing your YouTube channel, advertising, YouTube ads, Google ads, and so much more like that. So you want to make sure you subscribe, you follow this account, especially for more video editing tips. Once you are in your profile, once you get to your profile, ensure you have uploaded a very clean video on your profile, which you are going to be using for your ads, right? Which is going to represent your ads. So on this video, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 video that are clean, pure, right? Do you understand? So which I can use for my ad. So the next thing you want to do in creating your ad to get more followers, especially for this account, is you're going to click on this button you see right here. Okay, you're going to click on this button you see right here, professional dashboard. Do you understand? You're going to see this right here. So click on this professional dashboard, and once you click on that, you're going to see something here which says add tools, right? You click on this add tools. Then once you click on this add tools, then you click on boost content from profile, right? So click on it. Then once you click on it, I'm going to be showing you. Once you click on it, you are going to see the different type of video that is eligible for promotion on your account. Do you understand? The video you can promote on your profile, right? That is cool. So if your video is eligible, then what you want to do is select the video you want to do. Let's say I want to select this one right here, and I'm going to click on this next button you see below, right? Click on next. Then once you click on next, then the next thing you want to do right now is you are going to see something like, what do you want people to do when they see your ad? Now you're going to see the first option here, which says visit your profile, best for brand awareness and follows, if you want to get followers. The second one is visit your website, message you, a mix of actions. So the thing you want to click on is visit your profile, right? Which is selected already and recommended, right? So you're going to click on next below, and once you click on next below, you want to set your own target audience. Make sure you set your own target audience. Don't click on suggested audience. Do you understand? Because if you click on suggested audience, you don't have enough followers. If you don't have enough followers already, do not choose this, because they are going to be suggesting your ad to people who are similar to your follower. You can see target this ad to people similar to your followers. Here you can see it here. So which means you don't have enough data already. So you don't have enough data or followers accumulated on your profile, especially maybe you have fake follows. So don't try to do such a thing. So the next thing you want to do is you're going to click on create your own, right? You click on this. Then once you click on create your own, then the next thing you want to do is this advantage plus audience, just tick it off. Then the audience name, give it a name, just set it to, let me just use as an example, my audience example, right? So in the location, I'm going to click on the location. You're going to click on regional, right? If you want to target countries, or your product is not restricted to your local area, so you are going to click on location and type in, I'm going to type in Nigeria, right? I want to target Nigeria. If you are in another country, just input it there, or the state. I'm going to type in Nigeria, and I'm going to click on this mark button up here, right? So I'm going to click on it. Then the next thing I'm going to do is the minimum age, right? So I'm going to click on this minimum age and set it to maybe 25. It depends on who have been buying your product before. So it's good to always make research on the people who have been buying something from you before, right? So I'm going to tick off this user advantage again, tick it off, right? So in this, once you tick it off, you are going to see a box which gives you an interest box. So you click on that interest, and this is where your ad is going to be determined by those who see it, right? So this interest, based on my own business, right, I offer service to small business owner. See on this screen right now, we have small business administration, small business software, small business whatever. You understand? So let me just click on, let me search for small business. Okay, you can see, let me try to type in entrepreneurship. You can see this. So I'm going to click on it, and you can see small business, business and finance, home business, whatever. I'll click on small business, and I can even click on I'm going to search for advertising, right? Online advertising. People who are interested in online advertising. And once I do this, I'm going to click on this mark button you see here. Okay, click on it to save the audience. And once you do that, then the next thing you want to do right now is make sure you tick off this thing again. Do you understand? Always tick off this thing, and especially when you see this thing is ticked, just always tick it off, and you see that my audience name is there, location is here, interest is selected, age is selected. So you want to make sure these four things are done. So if you don't see any of these four things that I marked here, it might be that you did not tick off this advantage audience. So you always make sure it's switched off like this. So you click on this mark button here to save, right? So save it, and once you save your audience, let's wait for it to be saved. So once your audience has been saved, you are going to see it has been saved, and it has been selected here, right? It has been selected. So the next thing I want to do is I'm going to click on this next button below, right? So we proceed. So I'm going to click on the next, and daily budget. Now if you have 10,000 naira with you, and you can decide to spend it a day, 10,000 naira a day. You can decide to split it into 5,000 naira for 2 days. You can decide to split it into 4 days, 5 for like 4 days. Do you understand? So let's say I want to run it for okay, the least you can run it for is 3,665 daily. Do you understand, right? And you are going to see something like set duration. So I'm going to click on set duration. Let's say I want to go for 2 days, or let me see, 3 days. Do you understand? So that's over ad budget, that's over 9,000. Okay, you see it here, you see this ad budget here, 9,195 naira over 3 days, right? And you're going to be reaching 3,400 to 9,100 people, right? So I'm going to click on next. So once I click on next, you're going to see this place which says everything looks good, 689 VAT, right? So which is going to give you 9,800 in total, and 10,000 will cover for it. And you just click on boost post. Once you click on boost post, your ad will be submitted for review, and once they review it, your ad will start running. So if I should click on boost post right now, I've not added any money. They're going to take me here, right? And they will tell me to add a card, and I've added a card. Do you understand? I have to edit this place, put 10,000 naira, right? I have to edit this place, put 10,000 naira, and add a card, which this is accepted, right? This is accepted, and I can decide to either use this as well, pay by bank transfer, pay into it and click on next. Do you understand? Submit it and my ad will start running. So